Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to make your shaky videos look smoother using the free stabilizer feature in InShot. This can be a great alternative if you don't want to pay for the stabilizer in CapCut. And yes, it's 100% free here. Okay, let's get started. First, make sure you have updated your InShot app to the latest versions because the stabilizer tool only shows up in the new versions. So if you can't find it on your phone, that probably means you need to update first. Next, once you are updated, just let's start. Import your video clips into InShot. And then before we use the stabilizer, I will quickly duplicate this clip so later we can compare the before and after effects more clearly. I will make it as an overlay or PIP, and then I will position it like this. Like this. Next, just select the main clips and then go to stabilizer. This one. Just tap on it. And here you will see 3 levels of the stabilizer tool. They are low, mediums, and high. For the low level, it's like a self-stabilization that still keeps the natural camera movement, and it will look like this. And okay, let's play the video to see the difference. As you can see, the main clips has a more stable looks like this. And next, let's try the standard level. As you can see, it's balanced it out, looks smoother without changing too much. And then let's try the high level. And as you can see, it's the strongest stabilizations. It's very smooth, but sometimes crop more of the frames, but it still looks good for the stable looks like this. You can see the difference. So next, just choose the one that looks best for your video. Usually standard level works great for most clips. And okay, that's it. Now you can stabilize your video directly in InShot for free and no extra payment needed. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!